Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a glass rinser on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online marketplace that delivers the product directly from China to consumer and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will just open TEMU. So I will search for glass rinser. Okay. So I will be going for these ones. Okay. So this we can see, or we can just go with a higher variant, like it will looking like good. Okay. So we can see this product. So this product will cost you around $8.11 on TEMU, and it's the best price. If you buy from Amazon, it will be like higher prices. Okay, here we can see. So here we can see the glasses. You can just wash it. It's very easy. You have to connect with your power, like your your water, and you can wash it. Okay, like this. Okay, and just like okay, by rubber you can just fix it. Through your water you can use it like this. Okay, something like this. So you can use it. So it is basically like usable for your glasses and for kitchen accessories. We can see the dimensions also. Okay, you can just clean your child's bottles, small bottles, here your glasses and other things. So to buy, you have to click on add to cart, and then you have to follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a glass rinser on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.